Welcome to MFiX 17.1, which includes a much improved user interface, which allows you to create new projects based on templates, open existing projects, and provides more documentation, including a user guide, a setup guide, and tutorials, both text-based as well as video. Models are created by moving through a series of panes that allow you to select various options, including the solver, select the domain extents, and add various geometry objects, change the mesh and mesh control points, change the cut cell tolerances, define regions that will later be used in the definition of initial conditions, boundary conditions, point sources, internal surfaces, and output. Select fluid phase models, properties, and species. Add solid phases, including selecting the model type and model parameters. Creating and editing initial conditions. Boundary conditions. Point sources. Internal surfaces. As well as changing numerical parameters such as convergence, discretization, the linear solvers, preconditioners, and other advanced options. Various simulation outputs can also be changed, including the VTK output options, where different regions can be written at different write frequencies. Finally, the time controls can be adjusted. A precompiled solver is included in the distribution. However, project-specific solvers can be built from the GUI, which allows for specific compiler options, as well as inclusion of any user-defined functions. Projects can be run by pressing the play button, selecting a solver, various run options, and if available, queue options, and pressing the run button. Once the solver is running, the GUI will connect to that solver. Various values can be plotted in real time, such as the time step, and if the simulation is outputting VTK files, they can be visualized inside the GUI. The solver can be paused while it's running. Once it's paused, values can be changed, such as the boundary conditions. Pressing the play button again will push the new values to the solver and resume the simulation. The solver can be stopped and restarted by selecting the play button again and selecting the restart option on the run dialog. Once sufficient time has elapsed, the VTK files can be played inside the GUI, including DEM simulations. Thanks for watching.